Okay, what's up, y'all? This is Alex. Welcome to the Wearing Experience episode 6. So, today we're going to talk about ANELO. A good way to describe ANELO is it's somewhere in between the experience of wearing Vibrato, God of Fire, and Hacivat. So, combine like these three together and you get what it's like to wear ANELO. First impressions were that when you put it on, it's a beautiful, fruity, fresh mango scent with hints of pineapple. It's just a very nice, really sophisticated, solid summer scent. You really feel the same type of quality that you have with this monster, except that ANELO is an extrait. So your scent bubble is more vertical, it stays closer, more intimate scent bubble, more intense scent bubble. Having worn it back to back with God of Fire, I have God of Fire here, and I have ANELO here. I'd say at first, ANELO is fresher and God of Fire is sweeter. I would say after half an hour, 45 minutes or so, they get very, very similar. With God of Fire, you get the mango and the lemon. And then with ANELO, you get pineapple, pomelo, mandarin, mango, ginger, magnolia. And in the heart, you have vetiver, amber, and patchouli. What is it like to wear ANELO? First of all, it's fresh, it's pleasant, it's long-lasting, it's very strong. For an extrait, it has very strong sillage and projection, and the performance is really good. I think the price tag is a bit high, but all in all, it's a great fragrance. Is it work safe? Depends on what you do. Is it gym safe? I've worn it at the gym. It's a bit intense, but it's not the worst. It's really not the worst. It works at the gym, but it feels like kind of a waste at that price point to wear ANELO at the gym. Let's do an unboxing. Here is the box with the cello. Boom, boom. So here's the story of the fragrance. If you have time, pause and read it. Boom, boom. So yeah, let's open this guy up. As such, when you open it, you have a nice velvety thing and the fragrance on the podium. The cap is really sturdy, really strong. It feels weighty. It feels like along the lines of what you have with a PDM. It's almost similar to the female version bottles, just as hefty. Nice atomizer. 2 first sprays don't do anything. Yeah, it's beautiful. So let's apply. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boom. You have the batch number here. So the batch code is matched here. So who is ANELO for? ANELO is great for people who collect fragrances or for casual users that have like big budget to spend. Because like I said before, there's a good price tag with it, but it's great quality. The performance is great, so it's for people who enjoy long-lasting, fresh, fruity fragrances with a ambery base. So that's who I recommend ANELO for. I would rate it a 9 out of 10. I think it's a great fragrance. Everything is there. Presentation, performance, packaging, and power. Raw, straight power. So this is ANELO. Folks, I strongly recommend it. It's a really nice niche release. It was released in 2025. If you want to smell fruity but modern and fresh, then ANELO is a good investment. So there you go, folks. My name is Alex. This was the Wearing Experience episode 6. I will see you in the next episode. Peace.